right, Melanie Curtin will soon head to trial for the second time. Curtin is accused of helping a former Livingston Parish Sheriff's deputy sexually assault an unconscious woman in 2014.
News 2's Haley Jefferson reports prosecutors want to keep the public and media out of a key part of the trial.
Michael, Sylvia, the Attorney General filed a motion asking that the courtroom be closed when the victim testifies. But legal experts say this presents a concern over First Amendment rights.
Melanie Curtin faces charges of first-degree rape and video voyeurism when she returns to trial for a second time. Curtin is accused of helping former Livingston Parish Sheriff Deputy Dennis Perkins sexually assault an unconscious woman in 2014. In October of 2019, Perkins and his wife Cynthia were arrested for multiple sex crimes against both adults and juveniles. Perkins was sentenced to 100 years and Cynthia was sentenced to 41 years. In 2021, Curtin was convicted and sentenced to life in prison. But the First Circuit Court of Appeal ruled the trial judge made a mistake when he admitted some evidence and rejected other items. Now a new trial will go before the 21st Judicial District Judge Brian K. Abels. Ahead of the trial, Attorney General Liz Murrill filed a motion asking that the courtroom be closed when the victim testifies to protect her, saying there are provisions in the law to protect vulnerable witnesses when they testify. We're asking that the same protections be applied to our victim. But the defendant, Melanie Curtin, says new evidence in the case will unequivocally contradict testimony from the original trial and that the public is entitled to see her clear her name. Curtin's attorney, Alex Lard, says in a statement the defense supports the courtroom being open to the public. This trial is too important to be closed at any point.
It's different if everybody agrees, but if somebody, the defendant, is saying, no, whole thing needs to be, the state is creating an appellate issue where there shouldn't be one.
Legal analyst Franz Borgart says victims have certain rights and protections in Louisiana, but it doesn't disallow from public trial.
I understand wanting to protect victims' rights. I understand that you don't want to have someone shamed, embarrassed, made reluctant to come forward. However, this is the price of justice in our system, and disallowing just that part may not be enough to preserve the constitutional rights of the defendant.
A decision on the motion is expected by October 27th. Trial is set for November 17th. Michael?
Haley, thank you.